Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to Azure Beauty for sending me this great dip powder kit. Here we're starting off with a card. If you need any help or you want to contact them, that is their service card. Then we are moving on to the instructions manual that they bring, and it shows you step by step how to achieve beautiful dip powder nails. This dip kit does include 10. Actually, it includes 8. I don't know where I got 10 from, but as you guys can see, this is what the whole set brings. This is a beautiful Valentine's Day dip powder kit. It's a 4-step dip kit. In reality, it's 3 steps because the 4th one is just a brush saver, just a liquid that helps restore a brush. So here we are moving on to step 1, which is the base. It's used to create the nail. Then we're moving on to step 2, which is the activator. It's created to strengthen and harden the nail and get it ready for shaping and filing. And lastly, we have the gel top coat, which these top coats for the dip powder kits are outstanding. And of course, the brush saver. So I like how this kit did include a transparent dip powder if you want to use that and not waste that much product to build the nail. Then I'm just here showing you all the beautiful Valentine's Day themed colors. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for all the love and support as always. And I will have everything linked down below in the description for you all. So here I'm just grabbing a nail file and removing all the shine from the nails. This will help for better adhesion when you're applying either nail tips or full cover nail tips. After I've applied my full cover nail tips, there's 2 ways that I recommend applying them. 1, the traditional way, which is with nail glue, or 2, you can use base coat and use that as a glue and cure it under a UV lamp. I definitely recommend the base coat and then curing it under the UV lamp because it's just better lasting in my opinion, and it's just a way better method, and I'm just so glad that I came across that method. So here I'm just grabbing a nail file, removing all the shine from the nails. So now I'm going to begin the dip powder process by using step 1, which is the base. I go a little bit above half of the nail. I'm putting the base coat on 3/4 of the nail, and then I apply a total of 3 coats. So this is my first layer. As you guys can see, I did apply it a little bit over half of the nail. Therefore, I applied it 3/4 onto the nail. You really don't have to do this when you're using full cover nail tips because it already has an apex, but I still decided to do it that way anyways. And after you just dust it off a bit, the excess powder, and you repeat the same process for the rest of the nails. here I will be going in with step 2, which is the activator. You apply this to all the nails, and what this does is hardens the nail completely and it gets it ready to shape and file. I did notice that when I was applying the activator, it started to bleed off the color for some reason. It didn't affect the final result, but I guess maybe the pigmentation, I'm not sure. I do own Azure Beauty dip powders already that I've purchased on my own. I've never had an issue with them. This one in particular though, it does bleed for whatever reason, I don't know. It doesn't bother me, but it would have been better if it didn't happen. But yeah, that's the only thing that I did notice about it. So now that I'm done applying 2 coats of the activator, you could apply one. I like to ensure it and apply 2 coats. I'm just going in to shape and file the nails. And for this, I do like to take my time because sometimes the shape comes out right and sometimes it doesn't. I'm still trying to master the shape process. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just overall shaping the nail, and I'm only using a nail file because I want to show you guys that you do not need an e-file. If you don't have one or you don't want to use it, you can use and achieve beautiful results with a regular old-fashioned nail file as well. So now that I'm done shaping and filing, I will go in one more time with the activator just to really reinforce the nails. So this is what I'm doing here, and then we will be moving on to the next step. Today I will be using top coat because I want to let you guys know that you can use your own top coat, your own UV top coat if you don't want to use the dip one. And I decided to just go for my own UV top coat just because I'm applying a bunch of rhinestones and stuff on the nail. And the other one that the kit brings, usually dip powders, what they do is that the gel top coat will dry instantly, so it doesn't really give you time to arrange or move around the gems that you're using, charms, whatever the case may be. So I just decided to go for my own top coat. So here, that is what I'm doing. And I'm just adjusting them to my liking and just, you know, going with the flow. With rhinestones, I just never really know what to do. I just kind of put it together as I go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for all the love and support always. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for everyone who takes the time to watch my video. Hit that like button or comment. It really means a lot to me. It makes me really happy to hear from you guys and to see that you are enjoying these videos that I'm creating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.